starts right now.
I'm like an umpire in a baseball game, sir. I call and see the legal objections as I see them. That is my role, and that is what I do. And
are you kidding me?
That's exactly what I do. I'm an umpire, sir. I am a referee in this trial.
Welcome into our CBS 58 studios. I'm Jessa Brycebeck.
And I'm Amanda Porterfield. Natalie is off tonight. The Waukesha Christmas Parade trial is wrapping up its second week with more claims from Darrell Brooks that the court is unfair and biased. The
judge quickly shutting the defendant down when he tries to make what she calls unlawful statements in front of the jury. Gabriella Becerra live at the Waukesha County Courthouse for us tonight with details on day 10 of the trial. Gabby?
Well, Jessup and Amanda, aside from that growing tension between Judge Jennifer Duro and Darrell Brooks, we've heard and seen a lot of testimony from witnesses today about what they say happened after the red SUV drove through the Waukesha Christmas Parade.
I could hear that the engine was revving very high.
Craig Lehrman's senses alerted him that something wasn't right while enjoying the Waukesha Christmas Parade with his family.
I could see that the vehicle was traveling at a much faster rate than any of the other participants, so clearly something was wrong.
Thoughts that Lehrman was watching a mechanical issue or a medical problem unfold before him quickly disappeared once he got a good look at the driver.
He stuck his head and actually like the upper portion of his body out the driver's window and looked back behind him.
Lehrman describes the driver as a light-skinned black man in his mid to late 30s with facial hair and dreadlocks.
He turned forward, he grabbed the steering wheel, he pulled himself up off the seat and cranked the steering wheel to the right.
Testimony states the car next drove through the Catholic community of Waukesha.
My heart kind of sank.
Officer Bryce Schulten says he was stationed at the end of the parade route. By the time the car got to him, he says he knew he needed to use deadly force.
I began firing at the driver of the vehicle, and as that happened, he ran over the barricades and ultimately left the parade route and continued southbound on Northwest Avenue.
Ralph Salyers says he was walking to his car after leaving the parade, unaware of what was happening on Main Street when he heard a car crash.
He came around to the front of the vehicle, looked at it, and yelled, and appeared to be panicked, went back and got items out of the driver's side of the vehicle and then ran southbound.
Salyers identified the driver as Darrell Brooks.
How confident are you in your identification today?
100%.
And the Waukesha police officer who found the red SUV on Maple Street says it's registered to Dawn Woods, and we know that to be Darrell Brooks' mother. He said there were also documents in the car with Darrell Brooks' name on it. The state says the jury will have a chance to see the SUV as they wrap their case, which they're now predicting will be Tuesday. Reporting live in Waukesha, Gabriella Becerra, CBS 58 News.